birds singing in my chest. I woke up feeling a way I no longer thought possible, a way I imagined had long ago drowned in its own despair. I woke up like a new man, a soul reborn with intensity, feeling grounded, birds singing in my chest, squirrels searching for sky. I woke up all the way out at sea. I woke up in a trance, my past folding back answers upon me. I woke up in disbelief, the jaded old man, the skeptic, misanthrope, the closed down reservoir, abandoned wasteland. I woke up like a vagabond arriving home, or a mystic with an answer, or a jeweler peddling emeralds of apocalypse. I woke up in love.